Imagine a mountain so majestic that it's inspired countless works of art and literature. This is Mount Fuji, Japan's tallest peak, standing at over 12,000 feet. A dormant volcano, its last eruption was in the early 18th century, yet it still holds a mysterious allure. Its near-perfect symmetrical cone is covered in snow for 5 months of the year, offering a breathtaking contrast to its green surroundings. Climbers flock to its slopes each summer, hoping to witness the sunrise from its summit, a site known as Goreiko. Whether seen from a Shinkansen bullet train or the shores of Lake Kawaguchi, Mount Fuji's beauty is undeniable. So next time you're in Japan, don't miss this iconic symbol of the land of the rising sun.